welcome back to my channel. Victoria Lee here, and for today's video we have really exciting things ahead. I got a bunch of new makeup this holiday season. Like, when I say a bunch, I mean a bunch. For this video, I want to try out all the new products that I got. These are all things that I've never tried before, and I kind of just got to sit down, try everything, see what my thoughts were. So I had so much fun creating this look, and I used all of the new products that I got during this holiday season, or during the holiday season. If you want to see how I got this look using all of my new products, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so basically I just wanted to give a little overview first of all of the new makeup that I got. So I got brushes, bunches of palettes, mascara, face primers, oils, toners, lip kits, beauty sponges, and this huge Morphe box as well with a bunch of things. So I have all of this stuff to try out, and I can't wait to try it in the video. I've been waiting to make this video to try all of these products, so I'm really excited. Oh, look how pretty. They all just look so pretty. I don't even know what I'm going to use. And this is not even all of it, but I had to condense it into one video. I'm excited. All right, here we go. All right, guys, so let's get started. So far, I just put on foundation, powder, and concealer. Those are three things that I didn't really get during this holiday season, so I decided to just do that quickly off camera and then come back so I can try on the rest of the stuff and see these new products that I got. I'm super excited, and I'm ready to go. As I showed previously, I got so many new palettes. Some has face makeup, some are eye makeup. So I'm just gonna open them up and look around and see if we can find something in these palettes to do bronzer with today. So I feel like this might have something. This is the Too Faced Sweet Peach Glow palette. So this has been out for a while. I've never personally gotten anything from their peach collection, but I know it's a huge collection. People love it. Oh, cute. So it looks like this. So I'm thinking we have a shimmery bronzer shade, a blush, and a highlighter. So cute. Also got this other palette. It's by It Cosmetics, and it's like a book. It's called It Girl Beauty Book, and it actually opens up like pretty large, like so. And this one actually has a bronzer shade as well. I think I'm gonna go with the one in the It Girl book just because it doesn't have shimmer in it, and my complexion's not great for shimmer in my bronzers. I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and dip into this Honey Glow bronzer. And interestingly enough, I don't think it's just my eyes, but I think it like changes tone. So I think it starts off lighter and then kind of ombres into a darker bronzer. So I'm just gonna mix the two and see what that gives me. Get some color back into this pale face. Just looking into my mirror over here, I'm not minding it. It is a little bit definitely dark for me and a little bit more on the orangey tone side, but like, I'm not gonna lie, I really just don't hate it. I kind of actually like it. So there is bronzer. Next, I usually do my blush, and I'm seeing here that there is a blush. It's called The Countdown. Same little ombre moment here, actually. It starts off with this like light pink blush and then goes into this darker pink. And then I also have a blush in the Sweet Peach Glow palette. So since I used the bronzer in the It Cosmetic book palette, this time I will use the blush in the Too Faced Sweet Peach Glow palette. This is what the color looks like right in the middle here. Does it smell like peaches? Wait, I think the shades actually smell like peaches. I don't even know why I'm surprised. I feel like Too Faced always does stuff like that. It's good. See how the color looks? I don't really see anything, so let's really dig in. I'm like really digging in there, and I'm seeing the slightest of like peachy glow, but for me digging and digging, I feel like I should see more. Like, I feel like this pan is pressed so hard that the shades are not coming off. The color's pretty, but I feel like it took like a long time to get there, when usually I feel like I dip into a blush and voila, it's like bam. It's cute. Overall I like where we got the end result. So next I want to do highlighter. There is also a highlighter in this Too Faced palette, so hopefully we have a little bit more luck with that. This is what the shade looks like right here. Okay. Maybe this palette's just for the natural girls because it's a nice little sheen, but it's not like glowing. Like I'm packing it on, part 2. You can see like a little sheen right here. Maybe it's good for a natural day. Put some on the nose. If you just want a little bit of like glow on your face. I don't mind my highlighters being more subtle. I'm actually fine with that. I know a lot of people like their highlighter to be like in your face, love it. You can see it from a mile away or in pictures. I'm fine with it being like this, but yeah, it was cute. Now for the part that I am super excited for, which I'm going to do my eyes next. I want to show you guys a couple of new products that I got. So I received this Urban Decay On the Run cute little eyeshadow palette. It is super cute and tiny and great to kind of take on the go. That's one palette I got. Another palette I got, which is so beautiful on the outside, I've never seen a palette like this, is this beautiful stone palette by Urban Decay. So it's called Stoned Vibes. Look at that. That is so pretty. I've never seen this before. And then just wait until you see the craziness of the shadows. Wow. Definitely an interesting palette. It comes with this nice little brush if you needed a brush and you didn't have that many. And I think that it's just so beautiful to the eye. Like, just displaying it on my vanity is going to look so beautiful. As we mentioned before, I have the It Girl book that came with a bunch of little neutral colors for eyeshadow. And then my personal favorite that I can't wait to use, Eternal Eclipse by Lunar Beauty. If you know me, you know how much I love Lunar Beauty. I love Manny MUA, and this is his makeup brand. In almost every single video, you see me using his Moon Prism blush palette. I love it. I think I use it every single time that I ever do my makeup. So they look like, you know, like sisters. You know, this eyeshadow palette, I was like, we need it. I have to have it. And my brother actually got it for me for Christmas. Just look at the beautifulness of this palette, and he has the best formulas, and I'm so excited. This is probably what I'm going to end up using today out of all the palettes, but I wanted to show you everything I got anyway. I just like, mwah, chef's kiss, freaking love it. I wanted to start with the eyes, and before I start, I did want to show one thing. I showed it in the beginning of the video, but I want to show it again. Me and my best friend do a gift exchange every single year, and this year she got me the Mitchell Morphe box, and it has so many cute goodies in it. There's these eye gels. There is this Lano lips, which everybody's been loving, and I'm wearing it right now. It is hydrating to the max. I got a facial scrub, a cleansing balm, Louise blank canvas eye primer. Oh my god, I've wanted to try this forever. So excited. We'll be using that in a second. I got a lip exfoliator. This is from the 2 collection. I got 2 lip liners slash eyeliners. They're multi-use, so you can use them for either. And I got, of course, my beautiful setting spray that I love and can never have enough of. And then last but not least, I got 3 eye Morphe brushes. Everybody knows Morphe has the best eye brushes ever. So this box just seemed like such a good value, and I am so excited to get to try everything in it. Along with that, it did come with a Morphe palette, so I will show you what the eyeshadow palette looks like also. 9H Hot for Hue Artistry palette, and it looks like this from the outside. You open it up, and really fun colors, like really vibrant neon pop of colors that I think are really fun, and I definitely will get some use out of this one day. I got the P. Louise Blank Canvas Eyeshadow Primer, and I see everybody use this, like Nikki Tutorials swears by P. Louise eye primers. I don't know about this exact one, but she loves their primers. I know Mama Mitchell likes it. I see everybody use it, right? So I'm gonna use it. So I took the little thing off. It kind of looks like this. I have a feeling a little goes a really long way. and just kind of like paint it onto my lid. And this is going to create probably like the sickest base for my eyeshadows, and I'm so excited. Okay, so I primed my eyes. As you can see, they are definitely primed and ready for some shadow. One of the new products that I actually got are the Morphe X Jeffree Star eyeshadow brushes. So really excited, and I'm going to definitely try them out now. I will show you guys what came inside. 10 eye brushes. They are so cute. They are pink, baby pink, and I like how it starts off thicker and then thins out towards the end. Looking at this palette, I'm just feeling like I want to do something dark today, like bottom row dark. I'm going to dip into this shade right here, Smoke, in and out of the crease. We're doing, I guess, a dark smoky eye today. Now I think I'm gonna go in with Lagoon right here, putting it into the corner of the eye. What I'm gonna do is take this Louise base again, and I'm doing one eye first, and then I'll do the other eye once I'm done. And I'm going to create a little cut crease moment. So just taking this and being as precise as I can. Okay, so I cut this crease, and what I'm going to do with that, I think, is I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's like very silvery and beautiful, and I'm going to pat that onto where I just cut the crease, and I'm doing that with my finger. Definitely an intense eye, and we have to blend the two together. Just trust the process. Back in with that Lagoon shade, and kind of just make sure the eyes are blended. I'm gonna go quickly do the other eye, just like this one. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I did both eyes. This is what they look like. I absolutely love the ombre into this silvery color. I think that they blended out beautiful, like a dream. The P. Louise eyeshadow base definitely made a difference, 100,000,000%. If I used just my regular Tarte Shape Tape on my eyelids, I do not think the colors would be as vibrant and stick to the lid as nicely. So this will be on my desk forever now. I'll be using this every time I do my makeup. We are not done with the eyes yet because I always do my lower lash line, inner corner, and brow bone. So what color shall we choose for our lower lash line? I really don't want to ruin the look. We will do Lagoon, and I'm going to use this Jeffree Star X Morphe brush, the JS12, and I'm just going to dip so slightly into Lagoon. I'm just going to put some under the lash line slightly to tie this all together, and I'm keeping it as tightly under as I can. Okay, so now we look like this. And then I'm going to take this brush right here, the JS13, and I'm going to take that aluminum shade that we used and put some in the inner corner. The palette has this shade right here called Flare. It's more of a champagne-y shade, and I know you're probably thinking that doesn't go with your look at all, but I think it'll look nice and glowy and more natural on the brow bone. So let's try that. Annie, you did it again. You did it again. This is so beautiful. I love this so much. It is hands down my favorite thing that I've tried so far. Like I said, I probably wouldn't normally wear this makeup look out every day, but maybe if I had a special occasion or something where I was wearing blue and silver and like New Year's, this would have been perfect for New Year's. Didn't go anywhere, but would have been perfect to look, you know. Moving on. For mascara, I got this It Cosmetics Lash Blowout Mascara, and I've never tried this before. I've tried It Cosmetics, I think it's called Superhero. Yeah, the Superhero. So I've tried that one, but this one is different. This, like I said, is the Lash Blowout. Just going to give my eyelashes a quick curl, and let's see. Okay, I am super impressed with this mascara. Like I said, I don't have super long eyelashes at all, but this mascara did a really great job lengthening. I'm not sure if it was so much volumizing, but definitely lengthening, and it's one of the best ones that I've tried in a while. I feel like It Cosmetics is really good with their mascara, so I really liked this. So for lips, we have a few different things going on. I got this Lipstick Queen Treat Yourself Mini Lip Trio. It looks like the brand is called LQ. I'm not quite sure what's going to match this eye, but we're gonna figure it out. It came with this little Saint Peachy Neutral lipstick, looks like that. It came with this Bright Natural Sinner lipstick, which looks like that. And it came with this lip liner in Visible. It's Visible Lip Liner in Dusty Rose. I'll swatch it. Looks like that. I love lip liners that are that color. Really cute. And then I got these two. I think I mentioned before that Morphe in the Mitchell box gave me two of eyeliners. So I have, they're multi-purpose. They're eyeliners or they are lip liners. I have two here. This one is in Bite Me. And it looks like this. Let's swatchy. Nice little brown shade. This one is in Sweet Tea. This is Sweet Tea right there. Super creamy, super nice. They look extremely similar. Last but not least, I got this gloss from Lunar Beauty. This is the Glossed Aura. And it's like a color gloss, so I'm definitely using that. And then I just kind of want to figure out which lip liner I'm going to use with it. I think I'm going to use Bite Me. Line my lips. So this is the color Bite Me. Then I'm going to put the Lunar Beauty Aura gloss over top of it. And it looks like this. This is what it looks like together. I love it. Something I already know about Lunar Beauty glosses is they are so comfortable on the lip. It honestly feels like you are wearing nothing on your lip. It is so lightweight. It almost feels like even hydrating, like a lip balm. So not only is it beautiful and glossy and giving this nice natural color, but it's also hydrating for your lips and it's not drying in the slightest bit. I just love it so much. And that's what the lip looks like. Last but not least, I will try a new setting spray that I got this holiday season. I got the Morphe X Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mix in the strawberry scent. So let's give it a shake. Ooh, that was a lot. Ooh, it smells like strawberry. I really like the scent, and of course I love the mist. I love all of the Morphe setting sprays. This is my third one that I have. I have 3 different ones from Morphe so far. So I have the Jeffree Star, I have the Pride Collection, which is my absolute favorite because I love the smell, and I have the OG Morphe one. So I have all 3 now, and I love the continuous spray. So of course, how could I not love this? And it's pink and beautiful and matches the brushes. So I think that is the end of my new products. And I tried a good amount of the things that I got. I had so much fun making this video today. I've been waiting to gather all of these fun new makeup items that I got this holiday season to make this video, which is why it might be a little bit later than I said, but I just wanted to make sure that I had all the products so that I can do the video. I know I didn't get to try exactly everything. Like there was a few eyeshadow palettes that I maybe didn't use, but I definitely will try them out and see how I like them, and I'm sure I'll be using them in videos to come. My favorite thing that I probably used today would be the Eternal Eclipse palette. I know it's pretty obvious from my review that I really loved it, and I really liked the way that the eyes came out. It was just so easy to do, so easy to blend, and I had so much fun creating this kind of different look than I usually do for you guys. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Happy 2021. So happy we're here. We're finally out of 2020, a fresh start, and let's make it a great one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.